Shock and grief over St. Mary woman's death in fiery car crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Shock and grief have emerged among associates and well-wishers of a St. Mary woman who succumbed to injuries in a fiery car crash along a section of the Rowlands Main Road in St. Thomas on Friday. She has been identified as 58-year-old Patricia Brown of Warner Street, Port Maria in St. Mary. According to police report, around 11 a.m., Brown was among passengers in a Nissan Tiida motor car heading to a funeral when the driver lost control of the vehicle. It is further reported that the car rode the embankment and overturned. Miss Brown ended up being trapped inside the vehicle as it caught fire. Firefighters and the police were alerted and Brown's body was subsequently retrieved from the burning motor car after it was reduced to just the shell. The driver of the car and the 3 other passengers were taken to hospital where they received treatment for their injuries. Several social media users expressed their condolences to the family of the St. Mary resident as news of her death spread on social media. One social media user wrote, "R.I.P. my classmate, this is so sad. My deepest condolences to her children and her family," wrote Ann Gordon on Facebook. The St. Thomas Police and the St. Thomas Fire Department are investigating the incident. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.